Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share an incredible story with you that completely revolutionized my online shopping experience. Are you ready to learn how to buy a virtual credit card using Bitrefill? Stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So let me start by telling you how it all began. I was shopping online for some cool gadgets, but I didn't want to use my regular credit card for security reasons. I also didn't want to go through the hassle of applying for a new card with my bank. That's when I stumbled upon Bitrefill. Bitrefill is an amazing platform that allows you to buy virtual credit cards. These cards are perfect for online shopping, and they give you an extra layer of security. Plus, Bitrefill accepts cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it easier than ever to make online purchases. Now let me walk you through the simple process of buying a virtual credit card on Bitrefill. Remember, if you decide to try it out, use my referral link in the description to get some extra benefits. Step 1. Sign up for a Bitrefill account. Head over to Bitrefill and create an account. It's super easy. Just enter your email and you're good to go. Step 2. Choose your virtual credit card. Browse through the available virtual credit cards and select the one that suits your needs. They have options for different countries and various amounts, so you're sure to find the perfect card for you. Step 3. Pay with cryptocurrency. Bitrefill supports multiple cryptocurrencies, so choose the one you prefer and complete the payment. It's safe, secure, and super convenient. Step 4. Receive your virtual credit card. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll receive your virtual credit card details. You'll get the card number, expiration date, and security code. Everything you need to shop online. I've been using Bitrefill's virtual credit cards for a while now, and I can't tell you how much it has improved my online shopping experience. It's secure, hassle-free, and the perfect solution for those who prefer to use cryptocurrency. So that's how I discovered the world of virtual credit cards and made my online shopping life so much easier. Are you ready to give it a try? Don't forget to use my referral link in the description below to get started and enjoy the amazing benefits of Bitrefill's virtual credit cards. And that's it for today's video, folks. If you found this helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Until next time, happy shopping